Hello and welcome to Quilt Addicts Anonymous. I'm Stephanie Soebbing. Welcome to our Intro to Garment Sewing course. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to show you how you can use fabric you find in a quilt store to make clothes. Stephanie Brennan, who answers your email and also has a degree in apparel design, is going to walk you through making not one, but two skirt patterns. We're going to start with a super simple pull-on skirt with an elastic waistband. This is great for kids and for complete newbies to garment sewing. Then we'll graduate to a simple A-line skirt. It has a flat front and elastic back, so it's pull-on with no buttons or zippers, but the flat front and simple darts make it look a little fancier. In the course, we'll cover the supplies you need to get started, which fabrics are best for garment sewing, how to measure your body to get the perfect fit, prep your pattern, and cut out your skirt pieces. Sew darts, use interfacing, sew a French seam for a professional finish without a serger, insert elastic into a waistband, and how to hem. As always, the video lessons are free and can be watched at any time, but we would love it if you said thanks by getting your supplies from us. Let's get started making a skirt.